into today's video content, I need to tell you about my Ultimate Vocal Warm-Up Guide ebook. It's completely for free and you're going to love it. It's going to help you to learn exactly the sequence and how to warm up properly so that you sound at your best every single day, and also help protect your voice so that you can sing for the long run, and really just help build your voice as well. So don't forget to click on the link in the description box to get your copy of my free Ultimate Vocal Warm-Up ebook. Alright, let's get into today's content. So we're talking about how to loosen your tongue. You know, the tongue is just like one of the biggest muscles in the body, and it actually really gets in the way of singing if we allow it to be tight. And to be honest, 11 out of 10 singers, including myself, we tend to have a tight tongue. So I'm going to give you 2 exercises today to get rid of that tension so that you can sound more free when you sing. Okay? Alright, so the first one is this, alright? We're going to get you to put your tongue, the tip of your tongue at the back of your bottom front teeth like this. Okay? And you're going to go la 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 la. So ya ya, okay? But with your tongue like that. La 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 la. Okay? Now, the key to this exercise is that you don't try not to move your jaw too much when you're doing that. So just keep the jaw loose and dropped, and then just move the tongue only. La 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 la. Okay? So that in itself actually takes a little bit of time to get used to and to practice. So that's the first exercise. The first exercise is being able to do that, isolating just your tongue. So you're really moving your tongue kind of forward against the bottom back teeth, right? Without the jaw helping it, all right? So you do that for 1 minute, let's say, okay? So that would be the first exercise you do. That's already going to do wonders in loosening your tongue. And then the second thing is, once you've got the hang of that, then you want to apply that into an exercise. So we're going to do it on the long exercise, okay, here it is again. Alright, so let's get into position. You're going to have your jaw really loose, and you're going to have the tongue, the tip of the tongue touching the bottom, back of the bottom front teeth. And you're gonna sing this exercise through on a ya without moving the jaw too much, and it's all about moving the tongue like that, forward, okay? Let's give it a go. I'll do the first few with you and then you can try it yourself. Okay, your turn. Just keep the jaw still. Good. Now don't push it here. Keep it nice and gentle. Okay, we're going down now. Sorry about that mistake. Just moving the tongue, not your jaw. I keep making mistakes, I'm so sorry. And we got 2 more. And there you go. Those 2 exercises in itself is really going to help you to loosen that tongue tension that tends to build up in the throat and really prevent you from singing with freedom. So practice that every day, Songbird, and I really, I'm just so confident that you're going to start to see the benefit of that, right? Applying into your songs. So enjoy that one. Now, before you go, I want to tell you about my Vocal Revolution program. So this is a program that I have created with blood, sweat and tears to include the last 14 years of my knowledge when it comes to how to sing. I want to really nurture you and help to take your voice to the next level and really just take you by the hand and help you to really become the singer you've always wanted to be. So I'd love for you to check it out. Again, just click on the description box below and the link on the description box below. Can't even talk today. And you can check it all out and just really learn what it's about and see if you would like to go deeper with your voice and have me as your virtual vocal coach. Alright, I'm always believing in you, Songbird, so get out there, get grounded, take flight and sing. See ya!